Amanda here. Thank you so much for joining me. So I'm here to share my, what month are we on? May Journaling Joy collection. Is a little bit late this month, but I've just about made it. Now, this is one of my most asked for themes, okay, and this is called Hello Baby. Before I show you this collection, I just need to let you know that I have designed this very carefully so that you can make both a journal and a mini album with it, and I've also coordinated it so that you can use these papers, which I have for sale in my shop and give to my members for free. Okay, so it coordinates with these. Right, so let's get on to it. So Hello Baby, it's 29 pages. So you got 29 pages this month and all of these as well for £3 membership fee. Come and go as you please. That's all of the spiel. All of the links are in the description box below. So this collection covers girls and boys. Okay, I'm old school, so I've stuck to traditional colours of blue for boys and pink for girls. Okay, because it's for babies. So it's just cute. Love it or hate it. That's how it is. So here's the first page for the boy one. And we've got Twinkle Twinkle Little Star in the background. It's one of my favourite nursery rhymes because it's the first one that both of my grandchildren started singing. So then we've got this one, okay, which could be used as a journal page or an album page. Same with the previous one. And we've got this one. These are made more for journal pages, but you can still cut them down and use them in your mini albums. Just so cute. So cute. I think I had more fun making the boy version because I come from a family absolutely full of girls. I've got all girls. I think in all of, well, I know that in all of my 7 grandchildren, there's one boy. So for some reason, I've just had a whale of a time making the boy one. So there's the next one with the cute little teddy bears. And then there's a plainer one that you can print out as you're writing pages. You can print them on the back of the more decorative ones. And there's another. And again, all of these can be fussy cut. They can be cut down to use in mini albums and folios. I've been very careful how I've designed them. Okay, that's why some of the images are quite big. And I've not done too much collaging. And the pages aren't busy. And that's because I'm going to be making either some sort of folio or mini album, okay? But I've made sure that you could make a memory book journal as well. So this is designed to be cut up in strips, okay, rather than used as one, but you can. But I have designed it to cut up in strips as borders, especially for the mini album folio designing. But absolutely gorgeous. You can do what you want with that. You could even go in and fussy cut around all the bears, which is what I'm going to try and do. Then we've got some journaling cards. Okay, I'm quite a little bit like Project Lifey style, really, I suppose, the backgrounds. So I've kept it minimal. Otherwise, it would have had hundreds of pages. So for the months, milestones, we've got 1, 6 and 12. Okay, I couldn't do one for every single month, 1 through 12, or you'd have too many pages. How cute are these? And then these should punch out with a 1 1/4, I think they are. They're just to fill the space more than anything. Then we've got some lovely tags. How cute is this one with the little bear with his back to us? So cute. And then we've got a heap of words there. Some of them are duplicated so that you don't have to keep printing out the same pages over and over again to get the words. Okay, so I do duplicate them and I've given you some empty boxes in case you want to stamp your own words. Okay, so we've got all sorts there. Baby boy memories, birthday, Christmas, you know, for the certain times of the year. Newborn, keepsake, you are loved, precious, milestones and little one. And the words on the girl one are exactly the same, except these say baby girl. Okay, right. Then we've got the fussy cuts. Now I make these large. Okay, they're massive. Okay, I do that on purpose because I like focal points, especially when I'm making a mini album or folio. But I also do this because then you can print them 2 to a page and you'll get smaller ones, but that are still useful, that still won't be difficult to fussy cut to make your other things, okay? All right, and then I've given you them on a separate page, mirror image, except for this one because it's got writing on, okay? And that writing was already there on this image. I could have edited it out and changed it, but to be honest, this collection's taken me absolutely ages because there's a lot of layering going on. So you've got the mirror image. So when you cut them out, you can glue them back to back, whatever we want to do with mirror image type things, okay? So you've got some lovely cute things there, okay? So that's the boy one. Then we've got this one for the boys, and we've got this lovely frame here. Now the idea here is that this bear is not part of this image. You cut this out, okay? You cut that square out with a craft knife, fussy cut around there, and it's a photo frame. I've just put the bear in there as an extra fussy cut and to use up the space. So you've got Hello World and Baby Boy. How cute are those? And then the two fussy cuts are mirror image. Then you've got the Sailor Boy, their mirror image, and then you've got some building blocks that say baby and boy, okay? So cute. Then I did this one, so this will do for the girl and the boy collection. We've got Hello Baby, quite large, because that is the name of the collection, Hello Baby. And we've got some bows in pink, purple, blue and yellow are for the boys collection, so I didn't do as many bows, okay? So you've got more of the pink and the lilac to go with the girls collection, okay? So then this is the girls collection. So here's one of the journaling pages with these lovely little ducks. They are so cute, just gorgeous. Okay, and then we've got some baby clothes on the washing line, and I've added baby girl to one of the t-shirts. So cute, so cute. Another plain one there with that lovely floral and ribbon border. And then we've got some more duckies. I do like the ducks, with some pretty florals there, okay? And then we've got this one with the word baby. And then this is the kind of full page one that I've done for the girl one. It's quite a muted pink. It's not as bright as some of the others, but I just thought it was really pretty. I thought that would look lovely as your centre page in a signature, okay? Then you've got your plain journaling pages. All right, you've got one in pink and one in lilac. And then we've got the baby there. Again, I've designed it so you can cut it like border strips, or you can use it as a background paper. Do what you want with it, okay? But it's there to be fussy cut. And then here are the baby girl journaling cards. So cute, so cute. I just love them. I really enjoyed making these. They do remind me of Project Life cards with, you know, just the basic shapes and cute patterns, and I really had fun. But do you know what, it takes forever. Then we've got the girl tags with the lovely duckies, okay, and then all of those fabulous words again. All right, then we've got the frames for the girl. We've got Hello Baby and Baby Girl, and I've just put bows in the middle to just use up the space. So again, you cut that out and you would put a photo behind it, or use it as you like. You know, you could just stick a photo straight over the top of that if you wanted. They fit round about 3x4, okay? You might need to crop it ever so slightly so that it doesn't protrude past here, but a 3x4 should fit. Then we've got these lovely little duckies, mirror image, and we've got the building bricks for baby, for the baby girl, okay? That's a misprint. That's a misprint. Then we've got the girl fussy cut. So we've got the duck and the little doll there with a bottle. We've got those hanging clothes and some more of those cute duckies. And obviously I've done you the mirror images of all of those, okay? And again, you can print them to a page to make them smaller. So that is Hello Baby, okay? 29 pages of baby beautifulness. You can use it to make a memory book for a new baby to record, you know, maybe their first year. You can use it for baby showers, you can use it for baby cards, you could make a memory journal. There's heaps of things you could do with it. All of these pages can be resized easily, printing 2 to a page in your printer settings. You don't need any fancy software. Okay, super simple. And, you know, this one is a member one. This one is for sale in the shop. If you want all of those, there's heaps. Absolutely heaps. We've got the gingham, we've got the chevron, we've got this is spotted otter, we've got polka dots, we've got candy stripe, pinstripe, and they're in all of these colours. Pink, green, yellow, orange, blue, lilac. Is that a light? Yeah, so pink, and there's different tones as well. There's a lighter and whatever. I'm exhausted. Right, so that is Hello Baby. I hope you like it. All of the links are in the description box below. I am going to be making either an 8x8 folio or some sort of mini album. There will be step-by-step tutorials. I will provide, will I put the tutorials? I think I'll put the videos just on YouTube live and for anybody to follow, but the members will get a cutting guide. Okay, so the tutorials will be following a cutting guide, but you can still follow along to get ideas and inspiration on page layouts and stuff like that. So there you go. So I hope that you like that. It's going to be not for everybody, but it's one of my most asked for collections along with wedding theme. So that will be coming at some point. I'm trying to build up this huge library for my members, because when you join, you get access to this and you get access to everything else. So I'm busy building a huge library of papers, okay, for my members. It is an absolute steal of a bargain, is my membership, okay? Right, so it's the weekend here, so I'm going to go and relax, and I will see you back here in the next video. Bye for now.